Hey student, I am Asit Tiwari, your SSC teacher, and now this is the video has been issued for the kind of curiosities for all of the student, and our curiosities about the revising of the syllabus by the CBSE 2020 and 21 session, because you know very well there was the news to shortlisting the lessons from the SST. So now the finally CBC has issued the kind of information for the deducting of the lesson. Actually, these deduction will be remain only for this session, not for whole year or the throughout the life, because due to the pandemic conditions, this decision has been taken by the CBSE. So in the history section, the French Revolution, second lesson socialism in Europe and the Russia Revolution, and Nazism and rise of Hitler. These are the lessons which are continued, but the fourth lesson will be not there. Any lesson which was given in the option, I have written the name of forest societies and life, maybe the lesson are there. So these lesson will be not there. Only the three lessons from the history. From geography, India, size and location, physical feature of India. Drainage lesson will be evaluated only for the maps, not for the board exam. So this is a good news for all the students, because this lesson was seen as a very difficult lesson to understand, to clear it. Next lesson is climate, which is continued lesson and which will be come in the board exam. Natural vegetation, this is the lesson which will be continued in the board exam. But the last lesson of the geography population, it will be deducted for the session of 2020 and 21. So this is the good news, student. Now the civics section, these are the lesson you know very well. The first lesson, what is and why democracy, constitutional design, electoral politics, working of institutions, and outcomes of the democracy or democratic rights. These lessons has been deducted. Only the fourth lesson will be there. What is and why democracy, constitutional design, electoral politics, and working of the institution. These are the four lessons from the civic section. Now the economic section, you will see only the three lessons are there, and fourth security lesson has been deducted. The three lessons are in the economics, the story of village Palampur, people as a resource, poverty as a challenge. These are, and a student from the project work, there will be the 5 marks project work will be given by the CBC to all the student, where you have to make the disaster management related any project. You have to make it, whatever it may be the disaster, whatever it may be the calamities, whatever it may be the human made or natural made calamities or the disasters. You have to make it sure that your project must be sure on the 5 marks. Now the student for the 10th class, the lesson which are shortlisted by the CBSE for the session of 2020 and 21. These are the lessons which are continued for the session of 2020 to 2021. Rise of nationalism in Europe and nationalism in India. These are the lesson continued, and two other lessons will be there evaluated only for the internal exam, not for the board exams. So this is good news for the student, and these lesson will be not there. And the two lesson from the next section, the making of global world and age of industrialization, any one lesson will be considered as the periodic test, means for the internal exam. And last lesson, you know very well, the print culture and the modern world, it will be totally deducted from the session of 2020 and 21. Now civics part, power sharing, federalism, gender, caste and religion, which has been taught, but it will be not evaluated in the you will say board exam in the CBC. Now the political parties, outcome of the democracy. You know very well that the last lesson has not been taught or the last year also. So there will be the only 4 lesson in the civics. History 2 lesson. Now the economics part, development, sector of Indian economy, money and credit, globalization and Indian economy. Last lesson, the consumer awareness will be not there. It was not already taught. Now the student geography, resources and development, agriculture, it will be continued for the session 2020 and 21. Mineral and energy resources, this lesson will be not there. Only the map related question will be asked in the board exam, not for any internal or exercise question will be asked in the board exam. So student, this is good news for all the student. Manufacturing industries, it will be continued for the session of 2020-21. Lifeline of the national economy, it will be continued. Only the 4 lesson will be there. So student, this is good news for all of you. So how many lesson will be taught, you know very well. From history to civics, only 4 lesson. Economics 4 lesson. 4 lesson. So only the 16 lesson will be taught in the 10th class. Project will be given for the 5 marks as it was continued for the next this year also for the session 2021. Consumer awareness, social issues and sustainable development. So these are the kind of project which will be given for the 5 marks, and any one of the student have to prepare it. So this is the good news. Only this reduction has been considered for the session of 2021 only for the region of pandemic coronavirus, because due to the coronavirus there is a kind of no possibilities for the opening of the school at the night time. So due to the unavailability of the teachers and for the regular schedule of the student and teacher are not taking from the school, so obviously this decision has been taken by the CBSE. So hope all the students will enjoy it to listen it and then take their decision, take their planning for the whole year. Thank you.